want them to do?
I want them to drink the lava.
You want them to drink the lava? Alright, let them drink it. It's not gonna burn him?
No.
Alright, Luke, you wanna try this again?
Yeah.
Alright, pour it in there. Pour all the rest of the vinegar in there. I'm gonna see it go. Stick him back on there. Stick him on the black thing. No. Yeah, there you go. Pour all of it in there. Whoa! Look at Alright, pour the rest. Pour the rest. Pour it all. Wow. That's our volcano. I'm gonna make some changes to it, Luke. We're gonna make the top smaller, and then we're gonna seal around the bottom, 'cause some of it's coming out the bottom. That's our volcano, Luke. Was that cool?
But I want to fill it back up.
Well, we are all out of baking soda. We used it all.
Put in some more vinegar.
That's not vinegar.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Okay.
What is it? You know what it is.
Vinegar.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's lava.
No, it ain't.
So how do we make a volcano? What do we put in there?
Baking soda.
Yeah.